So today's very different topics. They are very important in Python sequence data types. So what is it Python sequence data types? In Python, a sequence data types are data types that store multiple values in an order manner and can be accessed using index numbers. So there are too many types of sequence data types. The first one is a string. Second is a tuple, third is a list, and fourth is a range. So those are the data type or sequence data types in Python. And the first one is a string. Second can be repeat one again. First was a list. Second is a tuple. Third one is a string, and fourth is a range. Those are very important four types of sequence data types in Python. So we will see what first branch like a string. So what is a string? A sequence of characters included in a single or a double or a triple quotes is called a string in single data type.